Namo Namaha. Welcome back, students, to yet another literature session of Sanskrit. In today's class, we are going to continue with the chapter Sauhardam Prakrutehe Shobha. Harmony is the beauty of nature. This is the fourth part of the lesson. We have seen that some animals and birds have got involved in the argument about who deserves to be the king of the forest. And after refuting the claims of all the other animals, the birds have come to the conclusion that the lion has ruled over the forest for a long time. And now it's the time for a bird to be the king of the forest. But which bird would get selected for the position of the king? We will come to know that in today's class. So let's continue with the chapter Sauhardam Prakrutehe Shobha.
Here is the Natyamshaha. I'll read it out. Sarve Pakshinaha Uchchaihi Am Am Kaschit Khagaha Eva Vanarajaha Bhavishyati iti. Param Kaschidapi Khagaha Atmanam Vina Nanyam Kamapi Asmai Padaya Yogyam Chintayanti. Tarhi Katham Nirnayah Bhavet? तदा तैः सर्वैः गहननिद्रायां निश्चिन्तं स्वपन्तम् उलूकं वीक्ष्य विचारितं यद् एषः आत्मश्लाघाहीनः पदनिर्लिप्तः उलूको एव अस्माकं राजा भविष्यति. परस्परम् आदिशन्ति च तदानीयन्तां नृपाभिषेकसम्बन्धिनः सम्भाराः इति. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Kaschidapi nanyam kamapi yadeshah uluko evasmakam parasparamadishanti tadaniyantam and nrupabhisheka sambandhinah. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Kaschidapi, the dissolution is Kaschit plus api. Kaschit can also be dissolved as Kah plus Chit. Nanyam, the dissolution is Na plus Anyam. Kamapi is the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Kam plus api. Yadeshah, the dissolution is Yat plus Eshah. Uluko evasmakam, the dissolution is Ulukah plus Eva plus Asmakam. Parasparamadishanti is the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Parasparam plus Adishanti. Tadaniyantam, the dissolution is Tat plus Aniyantam. And Nrupabhisheka Sambandhinah is the example of Samasah, and the Samasah has internal sandhihi. The dissolution is Nrupa plus Abhisheka Sambandhinah. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshaha. Sarve Pakshinah, all birds, Uchchaihi, loudly, Am, Am, yes, yes, Kaschit Khagaha Eva Vanarajaha Bhavishyati iti. Indeed, a bird will become the king of the forest. Param Kaschidapi Khagaha Atmanam Vina Nanyam Kamapi Asmai Padaya Yogyam Chintayanti. Students, grammatically, the word should be chintayati and not chintayanti. Param, however, kaschidapi khagaha, none of the birds, atmanam vina, other than oneself, anyam kamapi, anybody else, asmai padaya, for this position of the king, yogyam, fit, deserving, chintayati, considers, However, none of the birds considers anybody other than oneself fit for the position of the king. तदा तैः सर्वैः गहननिद्रायां निश्चिन्तं स्वपन्तम् उलूकं वीक्ष्य विचारितम्. तदा then तैः सर्वैः all of them, गहननिद्रायां means in deep sleep, nischintam means calmly, without any botheration, swapantam the one who was sleeping, ulukam means owl, viksha having seen, vicharitam thought. They saw the owl in deep sleep. It was sleeping without any botheration, and they thought, यदेशः आत्मश्लाघाहीनः पदनिर्लिप्तः उलूकः एव अस्माकं राजा भविष्यति. And they thought that एषः आत्मश्लाघाहीनः. आत्मश्लाघाहीनः means selfless. Padanirliptah means detached from position. Ulukah owl eva asmakam raja bhavishyati should only become our king. And they thought that this selfless owl who is detached from position of king should only become our king. Parasparam adishanti cha, and they instruct or advise each other. Aniyantam nrupabhisheka sambandhinah sambharaha. To bring sambharaha means materials regarding nrupabhisheka, the coronation of the king. And they instruct each other to bring materials regarding the coronation of the king. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Sarve is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Pakshinah. And the word Swapantam, which is an example of Shatru Pratyay form, is the Visheshanam of the word Ulukam. The words Atmashlaghahinah and Padanirliptah are the Visheshane of the word Ulukah. And the word Nrupabhisheka Sambandhinah is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Sambharaha.
Students, I hope that you have understood this Natyamshah. Now let me take you to the Agrimaha Natyamshah.
Here is the Agrimaha Natyamshah. I'll read it out. Sarve Pakshinah Sajjayai Gantumichanti Tarhi Anayasa Eva Kakah Attahasa Purnena Swarena. Students, the word is printed wrong. It is Swarena. Sarvatha ayuktametat yanmayura hamsa kokila chakravaka shuka सारसादिषु पक्षिप्रधानेषु विद्यमानेषु दिवान्धस्यास्य करालवक्त्रस्याभिषेकार्थं सर्वे सज्जाः. पूर्णं दिनं यावत् निद्रायमाणः एषः कथमस्मान् रक्षिष्यति? वस्तुतस्तु स्वभावरौद्रमत्युग्रं क्रूरमप्रियवादिनम् उलूकं नृपतिं कृत्वा कानुसिद्धिर्भविष्यति. I hope you have understood the pronunciation of words. Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. The words with sandhihi or sanyogah are gantumichanti, anayasa eva, ayuktametat, yanmayura, सारसादिषु दिवान्धस्यास्य करालवक्त्रस्याभिषेकार्थं वस्तुतस्तु स्वभावरौद्रमत्युग्रं क्रूरमप्रियवादिनम् and siddhir-bhavishyati. Now let's see the dissolution of these words. Gantum icchanti is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is gantum plus icchanti. Anayasa eva, the sandhi vichchedah is anayasah plus eva. Ayuktametat is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is ayuktam plus etat. Yan mayura, the dissolution is yat plus mayura. Sarasadishu, the dissolution is sarasa plus adishu. Divandhasyasya, the sandhi vichchedah is divandhasya plus asya. Karalavaktrasyabhishekaartham, the dissolution is karalavaktrasya plus abhishekaartham. Vastutastu, the sandhi vichchedah is vastutah plus tu. Swabhavaraudramatyugram is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is swabhavaraudram plus atyugram. Atyugram is the example of sandhi and it can be dissolved as ati plus ugram. Kruramapriyavadinam is also the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is kruram plus apriyavadinam. Siddhir-bhavishyati, the sandhi vichchedah is siddhi plus bhavishyati. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshah. Sarve pakshinah sajjayai gantumicchanti. All birds gantumicchanti want to go sajjayai for the preparation. All birds want to go for the preparation. Tarhi anayasah eva. Then suddenly. Kakah, crow, attahasapurnena swarena, sarcastically. Sarvatha ayuktametat. It is absolutely inappropriate. Ayuktam means inappropriate or wrong. Yan mayura means peacock. Hamsa, swan. Kokila, cuckoo. Chakravaka, red-shelled duck. Shuka, parrot. Sarasa, heron. Adishu, etc. Pakshi pradhaneshu vidyamaneshu. All these great birds are there. Divandhasya asya. Divandhasya of owl. The literal meaning of the word is the one who is blind during the day. Karalavaktrasya, the one who has a terrible face. Abhishekartham, for the coronation. Sarve sajjaha, everyone is getting ready. Everyone is getting prepared. The translation of the sentence is, it is absolutely inappropriate that when there are great birds like peacock, swan, cuckoo, ruddy-shelled duck, parrot, heron, etc., everyone is getting ready for the coronation of the one who is blind during the day, that is owl, and who has a terrible face. Purnam dinam yavat nidrayamanah eshah kathamasman rakshishyati. Purnam dinam yavat, the whole day. Nidrayamanah, sleeping. Katham asman rakshishyati, how will he protect us? How will he who spends the whole day sleeping protect us? Vastutastu, actually, swabhavaraudramatyugram kruramapriyavadinam उलूकं नृपतिं कृत्वा कानुसिद्धिर्भविष्यति. Let's see the अन्वयः of the verse. Here is the अन्वयः. स्वभावरौद्रम् अत्युग्रं क्रूरम् अप्रियवादिनम् उलूकं नृपतिं कृत्वा कानुसिद्धिः भविष्यति. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the verse. Swabhava Raudram means fierce by nature. Atyugram, very aggressive. Kruram, cruel. Apriyavadinam, who has unpleasant voice. Ulukam, owl. Nrupatim krutva, by coronating him or giving our kingship to him. Kanu siddhihi bhavishyati, what will we really achieve? The translation of the verse is, what will we really achieve by giving our kingship to the owl, who is fierce by nature, very aggressive, cruel, and has an unpleasant voice. I'll repeat the translation of the verse. What will we really achieve by giving our kingship to the owl, who is fierce by nature, very aggressive, cruel, and has an unpleasant voice? I hope you have understood it. Now let's see Visheshan Vishesha Padani from the given Natyamshah. Sarve is the Visheshanam of the word Pakshinah. Attahasa Purnena is the Visheshanam of the word Swarena. Vidyamaneshu is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Pakshi Pradhaneshu. Divandhasya and Karalavaktrasya are the Visheshane of the word Asya, and this pronoun is used to refer to the owl. The word Purnam is the Visheshanam of the Visheshyam Dinam. Nidrayamanah is the Visheshanam of the pronoun Eshah, which is used to refer to the owl. And the words Swabhava Raudram, Atyugram, Kruram, Apriyavadinam are the Visheshanani of the Visheshyam Ulukam. I hope you have understood it.
When all the birds decide that an owl will be the king of the forest, the crow raises an objection. What happens next? Let's see it in the Agrimaha Natyamshah.
Atrasti Agrimaha Natyamshah. Aham Natyamsham Pathami. Tatah Pravishati Prakruti Mata. Prakruti Mata Sasneham Bhoho Bhoho Praninah Yuyam Sarve Eva Me Santatihi Katham Mithah Kalaham Kurvanti. Vastutah Sarve Vanya Jeevinah Anyonyashritaha Sadaiva Smarata Dadati Pratigruhnati Guhyamaख्याति पृच्छति भुङ्क्ते भोजयते चैव षड्विधं प्रीतिलक्षणम्. सर्वे प्राणिनः समवेतस्वरेण. मातः कथयति तु भवती सर्वथा सम्यक्, परं वयं भवतीं न जानीमः. भवत्याः परिचयः कः? Now let's see the words with sandhihi or sanyogah. Anyonyashritaha Sadaiva Guhyamaख्याति and Chaiva. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Anyonyashritaha is the example of samasah and it has internal sandhihi. The dissolution is Anyonya plus Ashritaha. Sadaiva The dissolution is sada plus eva. Guhyamakhyati is the example of sanyogah and the dissolution is guhyam plus akhyati. Chaiva, the dissolution is cha plus eva. Let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the Natyamshah. Tataha pravishati prakriti mata. Pravishati enters. Prakriti mata, mother nature. Then enters mother nature. Prakriti mata, mother nature. Sasneham, affectionately. Bhoho bhoho praninaha, O animals. Yuyam sarve eva me santatihi. Yuyam sarve, you all are me, my, santatihi, children. You all are my children. Katham mithaha kalaham kurvanti? Mithaha means among yourselves or with one another. Katham mithaha kalaham kurvanti? Why do you fight with one another? Vastutah sarve vanyajeevinah anyonyashritaha. Vastutah, actually, sarve vanyajeevinah, all the animals of the forest, anyonyashritaha, are dependent on each other. Actually, all the animals of the forest are dependent on each other. Sadaiva smarata, always remember that dadati pratigruhnati guhyamakhyati pruchhati bhunkte bhojayate chaiva shadvidham preeti lakshanam. Let's see the anvayah of the verse. Here is the anvayah. Dadati pratigruhnati guhyam akhyati pruchhati bhunkte bhojayate cha eva shadvidham preeti lakshanam. Now let's try to understand the meanings of the words and the translation of the verse. Dadati means giving. Pratigruhnati means receiving. Guhyamakhyati. Guhyam means secret. Guhyamakhyati means sharing secrets. Pruchhati, asking. Asking about well-being. Bhunkte, eating together. Bhojayate, offering food. Shadvidham, 6 kinds of. Preeti lakshanam, signs of friendship. The translation of the verse is giving, receiving, sharing secrets, asking about well-being, eating together, and offering food. These are the 6 signs of friendship. It means a friend expresses his love in 6 ways. He gives and receives. It means he shares everything. He tells and keeps secrets. He asks you questions about your well-being and he shares even food. I hope you have understood the verse. Sarve praninah samaveta swarena. Sarve praninah, all animals. Samaveta swarena means in one voice. Sarve praninah samaveta swarena, all animals say in one voice. Matah, mother, kathayati tu bhavati sarvatha samyak. Whatever you're saying is sarvatha, is absolutely correct. Param, but vayam bhavatin na janimah, but we don't know you. Bhavatyaha parichayah kaha, who are you? It means, can you introduce yourself? I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The words Sarve and Anyonyashritaha are the Visheshane of the Vishesham Vanyajeevinah. The word Shadvidham is the Visheshanam of the word Preeti Lakshanam. And the word Sarve is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Praninah.
Finally, the Mother Nature has made all the animals and birds realize that each living being is significant in their own space. I hope you have enjoyed the Natyamshaha. Now let's see the next Natyamsh.
Here is the Natyamshaha. I'll read it out. Prakruti Mata. Aham Prakrutihi Yushmakam Sarvesham Janani. Yuyam Sarve eva me Priyaha. Sarveshamev Matkrute Mahatvam Vidyate Yatha Samayam. न तावत् कलहेन समयं वृथा यापयन्तु अपितु मिलित्वा एव मोदध्वं जीवनं च रसमयं कुरुध्वं तद्यथा कथितं प्रजासुखे सुखं राज्ञः प्रजानां च हिते हितं नात्मप्रियं हितं राज्ञः प्रजानां तु प्रियं हितम्. Now let's see the words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah from the given Natyamshaha. The words with Sandhihi or Sanyogah are Sarveshameva, Tadyatha and Natma Priyam. Let's see the dissolution of these words. Sarveshameva is the example of Sanyogah and the dissolution is Sarvesham plus eva. Tad yatha, the Sandhi Vichchedah is tat plus yatha. Natma priyam, the dissolution is na plus atma priyam. I hope you have understood it. Now let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the given Natyamshaha. Prakruti Mata, Mother Nature. Aham Prakrutihi, I am nature. Yushmakam Sarvesham Janani, the mother of you all. Yuyam Sarve eva me Priyaha, you all are dear to me. Sarveshameva matkrute mahatvam vidyate yatha samayam. Sarveshameva matkrute mahatvam vidyate. Everyone is important for me. Yatha samayam. The literal meaning of the word is at the right time. Here it means time to time respectively. Everyone is important for me time to time respectively. न तावत् कलहेन समयं वृथा यापयन्तु. न समयं वृथा यापयन्तु means don't waste time. So don't waste time in kalahena, in futile arguments. Apitu, instead, militva eva modadvam. Militva, stay together. Modadvam, and rejoice, be happy. Jivanancha rasamayam kurudvam, and make your life rasamayam means enjoyable. Don't waste time in futile arguments. Instead, stay together and rejoice and make your life enjoyable. Tad yatha kathitam. It is said, Praja sukhe sukham radnyah, prajanam cha hite hitam. Natma priyam hitam radnyah, prajanantu priyam hitam. Let's see the Anvayaha of the verse. Here is the Anvayaha. Radnyah praja sukhe sukham, prajanam cha hite hitam. Na atma priyam radnyah hitam, prajanantu hitam priyam bhavati. Let's see the meanings of the words and the translation of the verse. Praja sukhe sukham radnyah. Sukham means happiness or joy. The joy of a king lies in praja sukhe, in the joy of the subjects. Prajanancha hite hitam. Hitam means well-being. His well-being lies in the well-being of his subjects. Natma priyam hitam radnyah. His own well-being is not dear to a king. Prajanantu priyam hitam. But the well-being of the subjects is dear to him. The translation of the words is, the joy of a king lies in the joy of the subjects, and his well-being lies in their well-being. His own well-being is not dear to a king, but the well-being of the subjects is dear to him. I hope you have understood the translation. Now let's see Visheshan Visheshya Padani from the given Natyamshah. Here are the Visheshan Visheshya Padani. The word Priyaha is the Visheshanam of the pronoun Yuyam. The word Rasamayam is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Jeevanam. The word Atmapriyam is the Visheshanam of the Vishesham Hitam. And the word Priyam is the Visheshanam of the word Hitam. I hope you have understood it.
I would like to conclude the presentation here. We will meet again with the next part of the lesson. Dhanyavadaha. Punarmilamaha.